Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide by 1 minus s squared. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. We can use about integrating factor. So I will put about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of this one next to y. That's about integrating factor. The integration of this one, you got about negative 1 over 2 ln of 1 minus s squared. Because we have the negative sign in here, that's why you got about negative. But because they missing about number 2, that's why we need to have 1 over 2 in here. Next, I will put negative 1 over 2 go inside about natural log in here. This one you got about this one in here. And then we can write into 1 over the square root of 1 minus s squared. Because the power negative 1 over 2, you got about the denominator. You got negative sign in here. The square root is about 1 over 2. That's why you got this one. So we need to multiply both sides by 1 over the square root of 1 minus s squared. So 1 minus s squared with the square root 1 minus s squared. This one is about the power number 1. This one is about the power 1 over 2. If we multiply together, you got about s over 1 minus s squared to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2. And this one you got about 3 over 2. This one similar. Now we put the integration for the both sides. Now we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we know that first derivative of y, that is about first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So we see that this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v, that's about first derivative of 1 over the square root of 1 minus s squared multiplied by u. If we do this integration, you got about y equals to uv. So for this one, you got about y over the square root of 1 minus s squared. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 minus s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about negative 2s ds. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by u. 2s ds we change by negative du. So this one you got about u to the power of negative number 3 over 2 du. The integration of this one you got about u to the power of negative number 3 over 2 plus 1 over negative number 3 over 2 plus 1, and we put about c. This one you got about negative 1 over 2. This one you got about negative number 1 over 2. So negative and negative you got about positive. About u, that is about this one. So we return back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one in here. And I will put about c. Later that we multiply both sides by the square root of 1 minus s squared. And we know that this one, that is about the square root of 1 minus s squared in the denominator, because we have the negative in here, and 1 over 2, that's about the square root. Now we need to simplify this one and this one. So this one you got about number 2, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.